Oh, wow.
This over, guys.
Yeah, I'll help you open it. Let's see what else is in there. Is there more stuff in there?
Hmm.
Let me see. What is that?
Okay. So there.
Okay, here. I'll open it. You keep looking in the box.
Oh, it's over here.
Wow, these are pretty. Okay, put it on. Lila's coming to see. Wow, Sophie.
This one.
Wow.
Look out. Mine.
Wow, what are those?
Socks.
Socks? What's on them?
Picture.
There's princesses on them?
Yeah.
Wow.
What's in my bag? Pigs. Look. Pigs.
There's a prince?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh. Oh, big cat. Oh, big cat.
Okay. Is that everything?
Hi. I like it out. Hi, again. I take it out my heart.
You're going to take off the heart.
Yeah.
Can you say thank you, Safta?
Thank you, Santa.
Say I love you, Safta.
Love you. Look out. Like this.
That's just wrapping paper to make it all pretty.
Beautiful.
Oh, wow, that's a pretty headband. You want to put that on?
Yeah. I want to sit there.
Oh, you look beautiful.
Look out.
Okay, I'm opening these first. You can only open one thing at a time. You know what that is? That's for coloring. That's a coloring book. Here, you want to put your socks on? Those are pretty. We can put them on later too if you want. You don't have to put them on now.
Oh, big cat.
You want to open that?
Yeah. You take it.
Use the scissors. Okay. Let's open that. All right.
Ooh.
Oh. Oh, look, you put the jewels. You put the jewels on the mirrors to make them pretty. You put the stickers on the mirrors and you make them pretty.
I'll open it.
Oh, you need that open too? Okay.
Look, hi, sir.
There's hearts.
So I get outfit.
Okay.
Mommy.
It's coming. Here you go. Put them on the mirror. Make the mirror all pretty.
Sister.
Yeah, you put it on the mirror. There you go. And you make the mirror pretty.
I want to take it.
That's right. Perfect. That looks good.
We need one.
You need more? You okay, Lila? You're a very lucky girl, Sophie. Oh, that looks pretty. You're doing a good job.